Hello guys, when I woke up this morning, this is what I found outside. It was snowy. It looks like 4 inches or 6 inches of snow, and I don't know until when, because according to the weather forecast, until the weekend. Today is Saturday, maybe until tomorrow or until today. The snow was started last night. Yeah, that's our front. Tingnan nyo guys, ang kapal-kapal ng snow. Grabe. At saka bihira lang mag-snow dito. Usually doon lang sa mountain. Bihira lang mag-snow, kaya i-enjoy namin to. Hindi na kami pumunta sa mountain para lang doon ng snow. Ito guys yung flower namin for a winter time. Hindi yan mamamatay pag malamig. At saka itong fountain ko na angel, ayun, napupuno ng snow din. Oo, at saka yung tubig na na frozen. Ayan yung plants namin na hindi din mamamatay yan pag snow time or winter time. Ayan yung angel fountain namin. Wawa. Okay, so I was here in my backyard and still snowing, and this is our gazebo. Look at the snow. It's all covered with snow. Yeah. It's like 6 inches of snow. Oh, sorry sa backyard namin, guys. Kasi magre-ready na sana kami for springtime. Magtatanim na naman ako ng mga gulay. Pero ayun, napuno ng snow. And until now, still snowing.
So, as a ratio, running, not running for re-election, what do we see?
This, I think, is the biggest thing we should point out